Hello everyone, this is Kashish Malik. I hope you are doing well. So as it is my, your and each person who is in beginning of English speaking journey has the same problem that whenever we want to speak English, words don't come to our mind. We just forget that what to say. So today I have come with a very good English speaking practice. In this video, I will ask some questions from my sister. Her name is Elish, and she will give answers to those questions. In the same way, she will ask some questions to me and I will give answers. What you need to do is you need to also give answers, but while pausing the video. After that, you can watch our video. Fine. Now she will start. I have written the question. When I forgot, I show the see the in I will see in notebook. Ask per question. So the first question is, what is one skill? What is one skill you want to learn this year and why? One skill. So right now the one skill I want to learn in this year is always communication skill, because I am not very good communicator and I am a type of introvert person. So I want to learn communication skill. That is. So second question is, if you become famous, what would you like to be famous for? If I become famous, then I would like to be famous for my personality, like how I treat people, how kind am I, and I help people, these all things. So I want to be famous for that. So third question is, if you were the prime minister for one day, what three changes would you make? Firstly, I want to be prime minister, then I will. Okay, so what? First, one day prime minister. Okay, three changes. Three changes which I will bring. Firstly, the same that each minister should be educated. That is very important. Second, right now, as the protest is going, Cockroach Janta Party, I will change one thing, that whenever this kind of youth protest or any protest which is very important for India will be going on, all the leaders will come on the road and they will show their accountability. Or if questions are rising on them, then they will tell the answer of those questions. They will not be sitting very chill. And third will be that I will open more government schools so that people can get more education. And in those schools, there will be AI technique, all the skills like communication skill. In my school, they don't teach that. Now let me ask question, then you can ask. Okay. So the first question for you is, what would you choose? 1 million today, like 1 million rupees today, or 10 million after 10 years? So I will choose 1 million today. Why? Because I use this money and I use this money for business, and I I will earn 10 million, and today and tomorrow will not come. So tomorrow never comes. That's why. Fine. Next question for you is that if you need to complete your one wish this year, like you have a goal, then which goal would you complete? So let me repeat the question for you also, that what is one goal which you want to complete this year? I complete my 1 million in my channel in this year. Okay, you want to complete 1 million subscribers on your channel this year. Okay. So guys, she also has a channel which we will tell when, even when we have audience. We don't have audience, so what is the benefit of that? Okay, next you can ask me question. So next question is, what is your favorite memory from school? From school. Okay. For this, I will have to think a bit. My favorite memory from my school is that when I was in my third class, so there was a competition in my school of dancing competition. So actually, it is funny, but it is the best memory because whenever I think about that, I just get how cool I was. So it was dance competition, and I took I participated in that competition, and the song was Nachle Nachle. So I just went on the stage. I have just completed 2 to 3 steps, and suddenly my lehenga was like lehengas. There was a dory call type, so it just opened, but it not get like down, and then I came back. So it was very funny. Also, I laughed a lot because I was a child on that time. I was 6 to 7 years old. What is your favorite book and why? So my favorite book is Atomic Habits. Why? Because this book has taught me that how our tiny habits can change our whole life. How can we become so successful in our life just following small things? So that is why Atomic Habit is my favorite book. Now let me see the question because I have forgot what question did I write. The next question for you is, if you had 1 extra hour each day, what would you do in that hour? Let me repeat. Like nowadays, you have 24 hours in a day. If you would have 25 hours, what would you do in that extra 1 hour? I, I produce my skills whenever I'm not good. Okay. And sometimes I sleep in 1 hour. Okay, so how many people are there? Please comment if you have watched this video. Maybe not for others, but for yourself. How many people are there who would sleep for 1 hour if there is 1 extra hour? I would do the same because we can commit nice things, but we can't do. Okay, next question for you is, what is the one advice which your teacher gave you in the life? Like any teacher. What is one advice which your teacher gave you? And best advice? In my 10th class, one teacher advised me, you, you, math learning, you should take math. You should take maths. Okay. And after your graduation, you have must most many you have many jobs. You can take many jobs. Like there are many opportunities after that. Nice question, nice answer. Next question for you is, and that is very important, guys. It can be truth also. If you can meet any famous person, which one would you choose from this world? Any famous person, if you can meet, like you have a choice, which person would you choose? I I meet Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, you would meet Shah Rukh. Why? Because he is very good person, and I took some advice, okay, from he his and her skills. Her or his skills is very good. His skills are very nice. And he is very hardworking man. Yeah. So if you go, please take me also if you meet him. Okay. Next question from your side, please. What is your favorite movie and why? Okay. So my favorite movie has updated before 2 or 3 days because I watched a movie which is Padman, and that is my favorite movie because that has like it is very good. I don't know how it is my favorite, but it is my favorite. Akshay Kumar's movie is it. I think you should also watch. Please comment your favorite movie also. Do you have any other question? No? Okay. So guys, please tell us that should we make more videos like that or not. We are improving our English, and I want that if I can change one person's perspective toward English, like if a person can speak because of us, I will be very happy. So if you want that we should make more practice videos like that, please comment. If you can subscribe, then subscribe. So bye guys.